Welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing video for you this morning. This is a Quadratec QRC front bumper for the Gladiators and the JL Jeep Wranglers. We're going to open it up and see what we got. Alright, here we go. Cut these straps. Alright, let's get the lid off and see what we got here. Looks like she's packed pretty good. Got the instructions, paper instructions, which are nice. Hardware. Alright, give us a second, we'll have it undone. Alright, this is it out of the box. So far I like what I see for the most part. Not too bad, powder coat's good. I see pretty much everything like it should be. We'll put it on here after a while and see what we get. Alright, we've been inspecting it. I'm going to show y'all one thing. There's a dent right here in this corner. It's not got powder coat's not chipped or anything, but that's one of the problems with shipping heavy things like this through FedEx. They're very rough with their stuff. I've had it more than once. Sometimes we send it back, sometimes we live with it. This one I'm going to live with. Who knows, I may change the bumper again down the road, but right now, this is what's going to go on there.
This winds up this unboxing. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventure.net for our blog and Amazon store.